Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning with Eddie. In our previous lesson, we learned how to introduce ourselves in Chinese.
Today, we will learn how to talk about countries and nationalities in Chinese. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say where you are from, tell others your nationality. Let's go. Before we start today's lesson, let's quickly review what we learned in our previous lesson. Now, let's watch a short conversation with a 4-year-old boy from Uganda.
你好，
你好，
你叫什么名字？
我叫 Kiki，
你是哪国人？
我来自乌干达，
谢谢。
不客气，
好，再见。
拜拜。
Now that we have reviewed self-introductions, let's move on to today's lesson, countries and nationalities in Chinese.
中国，中国，
China. China.
乌干达，乌干达，
Uganda. Uganda.
美国，美国，
USA. USA.
巴西，巴西，
Brazil. Brazil.
德国，德国，
Germany. Germany.
Now talking about nationality, we add the word ren. Ren means person. Let's look at some examples. In Chinese, we can often create a nationality by combining the name of a country with ren. So, country plus person equals nationality. Here we go. Let's start with China.
The Chinese word for China is 中国. When we add the character ren, meaning person, we get 中国人. The same formula applies to other countries. Simply add hitor to the country's name to form the nationality. Remember, country plus ren equals nationality. Once you learn the country name, creating the nationality becomes easy.
Now, let's learn how to ask where someone is from.
你来自哪里？你来自哪里？
Where are you from? Where are you from?
我来自美国，我来自美国，
I come from USA. I come from USA.
你是哪国人？你是哪国人？
What is your nationality? What is your nationality?
我是巴西人，我是巴西人。
I am a Brazilian. I am a Brazilian.
Thank you for learning with us today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Bye, and see you in the next lesson.